Today I'm going to use this Pacific HydroStar Auger drain cleaner to clean out a clog I've got in my drain pipe outside of my house. There are two models of this particular auger, and this is the larger one. They have a smaller one as well with 25 foot of cord. The area we live, the drains are really funky and we have a lot of trouble with them clogging. I've used everything to try to take care of this and nothing has worked until I bought this auger, and it is amazing the way it works, as you will see. Okay, I've used the plunger and it's not working after a couple showers and flushing the toilet. The water will back up in the tub here. So I'm going to go outside and fix it. Okay, I've got the line in the sewer drain right there, and the pedal will cause it to expand. The pedal will make it go in or come back. So I'm going to go ahead and feed it through until I feel a little resistance, and that's usually where the clog is. I'm running this through for about 10 minutes or so, and I'm looking for this to start bunching up. That means it's gotten to the clog, and then from there you want to kind of very slightly inch it forward, then inch it back and forward and back until the clog becomes unplugged. And you'll notice that when the water starts dissolving. The water goes down. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and run it just a little bit further just to make sure it's done. And watch out, you don't want this to tangle up. Okay. That was it. Go inside and run the water, and we'll see if it fills back up. I went inside. All of the lines in the bathroom are wide open in the tub, and I flushed the toilet several times. Okay, now it's backing back up a little bit. Okay, that means I need to go down a little bit further. Okay. See, the water is not coming back up, and you hear it flowing. Okay, that means you got it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just wind it back in, and I'm done. This little thing has saved us so much money. Filling it up at all. Okay, now I'm going to wind it back up. Forward. Water looks good. I'm just washing the line as I bring it. Okay, we've finished clearing out the drain, so I filled up some water with some antibiotic detergent and cleaned it, and now I'm going to let the water out and we'll see how it goes. And it's draining just fine. Sound of success. Now some of the suds. Okay, everything looks great. It's running. You did a good job. Hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a great day.